tonight since it's our alumni homecoming here in Holy Cross.
We are batch
We're batch 2011.
Yes. Hi, Chong! This is
Happy
our
Namo!
classmates. Yeah. Kami ay mga buluyagon sa Holy Cross sa una.
Kami ang pinakaigat.
Yeah. And
maon ni ang kuan ang atong tambayan.
wala pa ni sa una.
Wala man ni sa una pero
Bakit unfair? Wala kami tambayan sa una.
right now you can see the dragon for our dragon dance before
It is still alive.
it's still alive and we cannot show you where is the lion dances before, but for your information, we are the first Buddhas here.
Yeah.
Pinaka first.
The original Buddhas. And this is where we pray. Every Wednesday, right?
Yeah, everyone.
We will pray the rosary since it is a Filipino Chinese Catholic school here. Di makita si Mama Mary. O, ayan.
Our grotto.
Our grotto. Mama Mary.
And then this building used to be the high school building
department
during our time, but it's now the elementary building.
Yeah. The senior high school department. Wala mi senior high school sa una. This used to be the canteen kanang ilalom. Yeah, and the high school department now, which was elementary department before our time. Kana siya, the old one.
This used to be all wooden before.
Yeah.
Before it was.
Kana siya dagan na siyang paniki sa una. Yeah, and that's it. Happy Founders Day, Holy Cross High School.
Happy Founders Day. Happy 96 Founders Day.
Okay.
Hi guys, we're now to our oats farm, and this is the playroom for the nursery.
This will be demolished soon. So yeah, memories na lang ni siya.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Wala ka na minaw? Tawa. Nawa. So yeah. Kani siya gibatukod ba yan ni siya murag high school ta, di ba?
Yeah.
We were high school then karon i-demolish na siya. I think. Wala na siya mag-groundbreaking na gani siya. Yeah. So, yeah. This is our chapel. Our CR.
This is our old CR.
Yeah.
This was blocked before.
Yeah, wala din siya dalan din sa una. And the boys' comfort room with the Chinese character. I don't know how to read.
Bawal sumilip!
to your alma mater, Holy Cross High School. A resounding welcome to the 96th Father's Day Alumni Homecoming with a theme, From Roots to Wings.
Kana good pag video good kana good.